In today's video, I'll show you how to create a GA4 channel report in Looker Studio so you can clearly analyze traffic performance by channel. First, open your web browser and search for Looker Studio. Once the page loads, log in using your Google account. After logging in, you'll land on the Looker Studio dashboard where all your reports are managed. At the top, click on Create and then select Report. A panel will appear asking you to add a data source. From the list of connectors, choose Google Analytics. If this is your first time connecting GA4, Looker Studio may ask for permission to access your account, so make sure to allow it. Next, select the correct GA4 account and property you want to report on. Then, click Add to connect it to your report. Once the data source is added, you'll be taken to a blank report canvas. Now, go to the toolbar and click Insert. Then choose a table or chart depending on how you want to display your data. Drag it onto the canvas. With the chart selected, look to the right side and make sure the Setup tab is open. Under Dimensions, search for and select Session Default Channel Group. This will organize your data by traffic channels like organic search, direct, referral, and paid. Then, under Metrics, add the data points you want to analyze, such as sessions, users, event count, or conversions. As soon as you add these, your GA4 channel report will start taking shape. You can adjust styling, sorting, or layout if needed to match your reporting preferences. Once everything looks good, your report is ready and will save automatically. And that's it. You've successfully created a GA4 channel report in Looker Studio, giving you clear insights into how each traffic channel is performing.